chords in love you do not find. Hi everyone, and shout out to all UKULIMBAKERS. UKULIMBAKERS. If you love ukulele and kalimba, or either of the two, you are UKULIMBAKERS according to me. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you the song called Beautiful Love by Victory Worship. And this song is requested by Andrea Nicole San Pedro. Before we start, make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning. And here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you'll be using for this song. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that while I have a sip of my coffee. Alright, so these chords are not the usual chords that we're using in everyday ukulele day. But they're not hard, we're making it easy. In this channel, we're making things easier. By the way, before I forget, I have made a song sheet for you. It's downloadable for free. Just click the link below. So you'll have your lyrics with chords and you can practice this song by your own. We're having B, and this song is in key of B. For B, we have number 1 finger to the 2nd fret right here, number 2 finger, 3rd fret here in your C string, and G string, number 3 finger in the 4th fret, B. And E, we have E as well, G, C, E string in the 4th fret, and your number 1 finger in the 2nd fret of A string. You have another option. You may just want to bar your number 1 finger here and reach out to 7th fret. So you may want to do like this or like this. Either of the two. It's up to you. And we're also having F sharp. F sharp is like G. So G is like this, right? But you're doing it like this. And then you go lower and you put your number 3 finger in the 3rd fret of G string. So it sounds like this. We're also having G sharp minor. It looks like this. You have your number 3 finger in the 4th fret of G string, number 2 finger in the 3rd fret of C string. You also have your number 4 finger in the 4th fret of E string, and last, number 1 finger right here in the 2nd fret of the last string. You may want to practice those chords. And we have the last chord, and that is C sharp minor. C sharp minor is like this. Okay? 4th fret, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then reach out to the 6th fret of G string. And we're only using it like a couple of times in the bridge part of the song. So there you have it. Those are the chords, and let's start. Alright, so for strumming pattern, we're using down, down, up, 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 down. Let's practice. With this strumming pattern, we can separate 4 beats to 2. Okay, so like 1, 2, that's 2 beats, 3, 4, that's another 2 beats. Or we can use only down, down to separate 4 beats to 2. I mean chords with just 2 beats. So 1, 2, that's the first chord. 1, 2, that's the second chord. And this song, we're using that in E to F sharp most of the time. And we can also add and to the last part of this strumming pattern. Something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. You get what I mean, right? So let's proceed. As for the intro, we're using E, F sharp, and B. 2 beats for E, 2 beats for F sharp, and 4 beats for B. It sounds like this. Intro. So that's your intro. Alright, so let's go to the verse. The chord progression for the verse and for the most parts of the song is E, F sharp, B. And then we have E again, 2 beats, F sharp, 2 beats, and B, 4 beats. So So for the third time, we have E, 2 beats, F sharp, 2 beats, and then G sharp minor, 4 beats. And then back to the default, E, F sharp, and B. 2, 3, 4. So most of the time, that's the chord progression. Verse, chorus, verse, and then except the bridge. Okay, the bridge part has a different chord progression, and we're going there. I'm gonna walk you through. So the verse goes like this: E, they curse and F sharp love, you do not be fight. E, 1,000 F sharp, man you'll proceed be fight. Then E, as crimson F sharp stains, I feel your G sharp minor, your mind. You look upon E, upon me, F sharp with the beat light. Then just gonna repeat that again. So second verse, E, from throne to F sharp cross, you came to die B. Okay, let's continue. Okay, then E, then new life with every nail. E, with every nail I feel your mind. You look upon E, me F sharp, me with the light B. And then we go to chorus. So for the chorus, it's still the same chord progression. Oh, what love. So you start the song first before hitting the E chord. Oh, what love. I'm hoarse. Paus ako, paus. Oh, what love. E. How can F sharp need B? B. From that E cross, you F sharp looked at B, me, and oh, what love poured out for G sharp minor, me. And then E, what a beautiful love. So all throughout it's still the same. So we're going to the next verse, right? So after this, what a beautiful love. So you just need to repeat B, 4 beats again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the verse 3 is still the same. Your death gave way to glorious light. So I'm walking you through. You know this already. So E, and tears away the chains that bind. E, down, down, daughters in your G sharp minor. Look upon us with F sharp B. And then repeat chorus. Oh, what E, love, F sharp B. From that cross, you look at me. Then oh, what E, love, F sharp, and then G sharp minor for me. Then E, what a beautiful love. Okay, so basically that's the chord progression. You just need to arrange it. Also, there's a song sheet right there in the link below. You may want to download it for free, so you can practice it by your own. You have your lyrics and chords. Alright, now we are in the bridge part, and this is the last part of the song. But before we move on, I'd like to remind you to subscribe this channel, give me a thumbs up, and tell me what you want to learn next by commenting down below. I appreciate your comment. Maraming salamat po. Alright, so this bridge part is still the same, although there's a variation because we're using C sharp minor and going to F sharp. Okay, so it goes like, we came from what a beautiful love, and then so glorious. F sharp came down on B, shame. You call me E, yours, caught up in your grace. You're all I, and then again, need. There's nothing more. Beautiful, down, down ng C sharp minor, down, down, and then F sharp, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, and then go to B. So it goes like, you're all I need. There's nothing more beautiful. beautiful than your love. So let's repeat that part. What a beautiful love, so glorious, came down unashamed. You call me yours, caught up in your big grace. You're all I need, There's nothing more beautiful than your love. Okay, this time you will repeat the same thing but without E. Instead of going E, F sharp, sa second so glorious, you need to do F sharp only. So it goes like, so coming from than your love, so glorious, F sharp, came down on a big shame. You call me yours, now E, caught up in your grace, same. You're all I need. Pasensya na po, paus ako kasi kasi nag-concert ako kahapon Alright, so you're all I need, still the same. You're all I need, E, F sharp, there's nothing more, C sharp minor, beautiful. Now, this time, in the second part, you need to repeat more beautiful 2 times. There's nothing more beautiful than your beloved. And then you just need to repeat the chorus and that's the song. We might not have the everyday ukulele chords for this song, but you can practice it and it's a great, improvement for your muscles. Alright, so maraming salamat po. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, show your support, and be part of UKULIMBAKERS.